what's going on, guys? Welcome back to another video. And today we will be playing some more Bloxburg, as you can see by the title of this video. Okay, whatever. And I am a YouTuber, obviously. That's why you're watching this video. And she is a YouTuber, so I want you all to go subscribe to her channel. Once she says her YouTube channel, I don't know what it is yet. But I'm trying to figure that out. That's what I'm trying to figure out. This is not my house, by the way, so just... This is Jaquan's house. And then Shimvy's house is right across there. And mine is that one over there. The motel I live in. Well, I created the motel. I'm going to say I'm Rick right now. I'm Rick right now. Jaquan, where did you go? Do you want some guest room? Oh yeah. Bro, we're gonna lock the door on her so she doesn't come in. Bro. Lock the door so she can't come in. She's coming! No, Jaquan, don't do it. She's coming. She's coming. It's not how you spell it, Jaquan. Is that blurred out? Not sure. Oh, nice. Power's on, boys. Oh, it is tags. That's in tags? Oh, shoot. I did not mean to put that. I just meant to press God. Gosh dang it. Not gosh F. Ugh. I cannot type today. Power's out, kid. Jaquan, did you lock us in here? You monster! Not kid you, he locked the door on us. Y'all never know it's me. Ready? Watch this. 3, 2, 1. I'll jump, spam me. Boom, it's gone. Jump. I'm gonna do this. Jump. My mouse will go down and I'll spam me. Dang it. And let's go. And I'm doing 360 with the lights on. Woo, 360. Bro, I'm gonna have to do the glitch out of here, dude, so. Did they get rid of the glitch? Oh, heck no. Open the door, Jaquan. Now. Jaquan, can you open the door? We're going to show her my motel. Because she wants to see the upgrades I did. So let's just walk on over. Go walking on, go over, go walking on over, walking on over. I'll respawn that. I'm back all the way over there, guys. So that's where it was. It's a new kids corner. The new kids corner. Ta-da. Yeah, let's go. I'm going to build them and put the biggest firework that we have that I bought. It was like 800. I'm gonna build and put some fireworks on. Jaquan, stay for the party. Pay those bills. Dang, $205. Jaquan, don't go anywhere. So I'm gonna go to my inventory. And, okay, so we have 2 more of these. Not enough space. Oh no. There we go. And we can, yeah, these are all like $640 each. So, oh yeah, that was 15. So I bought these all on 4th of July. Did Jaquan, are you on Discord? No, he is on Discord. Jaquan, your mic might be muted, by the way. The finale. Yeah, woo! Jaquan, your mic's muted, by the way. Alright guys, so that was it for this Bloxburg. So this is my huge motel. So if you guys ever want to friend me, join me, it is right small 10179. You guys see it every time I make a Roblox video. So I'm gonna show you guys around. So here, fireworks back there. Here we have kids, going where kids can stay. And we're gonna lock them in there. Here we have, I'm gonna do the master suite. Here we have a small room. I'm just gonna light that, that's well. You have a small room, another small room. Here we have the suites. We have the suite. And then next door we have the master suite. Master suite. Alright, guys, I'll see you all in the next Roblox video. Peace out.